Hello everyone, how are you? I hope all is well. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Roma from USA. Today I'll show you strawberry keyring. I hope you will like this strawberry keyring. I have a Etsy shop. My shop name is also Mom and Dad Crochet. The same name, my YouTube channel name and my shop name is same. So you can remember easily it's Mom and Dad Crochet. So if you want to buy, you can order and I'll ship within 2 days in USA, and shipping cost is absolutely free. So this keyring I'll upload to my shop as soon as possible, then you can see and you can order. This is a strawberry keyring. It's really pretty and so beautiful. It looks like a real strawberry, right? This strawberry keyring made by Malay Cordian. So I like Malay Cordian, that's why I try to make every items for sale Malay cut, because Malay Cordian is really strong and so shiny and very nice. I like Malay Cordian. Malay Cordian is the first choice, and second choice is Red Heart wool. So I have so many yarn, but most of the time I like to make tutorial in Malay Cordian. So I will show you guys as soon as possible this strawberry keyring tutorial, so you can make it very easily. For this keyring you need keyring and Malay Cordian and some cotton. So you just make this strawberry and put some cotton inside, then you stitch by hand stitch. Don't use glue because glue is not good. Hand stitch is good, it lasts longer. Then you just join with this strawberry, this keyring. It's make very easily, and then it's very time consuming sometimes because this is not a double crochet, it's single crochet. You can see it's little by little. So it takes time to make strawberry, but other thing is very quick. And the white part you can see is a color, white color. If you want, you can put the white beads. White beads will be very beautiful on it, but this color is not bad. It looks real, it looks nice too. I like this strawberry keyring so much, so if you like it you can order. I have another strawberry keyring too. If you want to see, you can go to my shop and you can see over there. This strawberry keyring is kind of different. It's 2 strawberry in one keyring. It's more beautiful. So if you want to like this one, you can order too. So thanks for watching. Bye.